His wife Annie says you have to be your own advocate. Local 12's Deborah Dixon shows us what happened since the Rally for Brad campaign.
But let me know about the fatigue, because still the same criteria apply. So if you're feeling tired, feeling miserable, then obviously we'll hold the chemo like we're doing before.
Brad Giesting and wife Annie have been coming here to the James Cancer Center in Columbus for 18 months. The Iraq War veteran and father of 2 little girls is part of a clinical trial for sarcoma, a rare cancer. Some patients get a placebo, some get an experimental drug called Morab. Brad got Morab.
Very excited. Every time scans come around, you still have that anxiety of, what if they start growing again? And I've been lucky enough to get results back and stable and, shrinking of the tumors and everything else.
Researchers don't know why Morab is working on Brad's tumors in his pelvis, but it is.
As you can see from his scans, these were his initial ones here. This is kind of a representative tumor. It's basically shrunk down to essentially nothing, and it's been stable that way for quite some time now. Has the tumor completely been eradicated? No, but is it bothering him? The answer to that is also no. My job is to keep him alive for as long as I can in the best way I can.
The best way is with Morab, but 3 days before Christmas, pharmaceutical company Morphatec sent out a statement saying the trial failed to meet its primary endpoint, but did meet the criteria of futility. But what about Brad?
I was heartbroken when we were told that this drug was no longer available. I was absolutely heartbroken, but I'm also known when I get sad to get angry or get mad and to start fighting.
Fighting with a Facebook page, Rally for Brad. And after the story appeared on Local 12, it went national. Morphatec agreed to let Brad use the drug through January last week. It gave in to ongoing treatment.
We are beyond excited and beyond grateful to everybody that helped us get to this point, and to Morphatec for actually giving us the drug that, they didn't have to.
Continue to spend time with my kids and give me that much longer, and I really do appreciate it.
Mike Freeze is a grandfather and U.S. Navy veteran from Northern Ohio who also received Morab in the trial. His treatment will continue too.
In my lungs. At this point, they can no longer see it. The tumor in my hip is there, but it is stable and it has not grown. So with that, I'm extremely happy.
There may be hundreds of clinical trials going on here at the James Research Center at any given time involving all sorts of different cancers. It can be a small trial involving 30 people, or it can involve thousands.
I understand that I'm a study person. I'm being studied, and perhaps between Brad and myself, we can help them bring a better understanding to this little niche called sarcoma.
Brad and Mike's lives have been extended because of an experimental drug, a pharmaceutical company that found its heart, and a family who fought with a little help from friends and strangers. Deborah Dixon, Local 12 News.
That is great news. We wish them the best. There were 3 patients in the trial that showed positive results from this drug. We'll keep you posted on Brad's cancer battle.